Can you help Dougie and Dotty name these construction vehicles?
Dougie, are you ready to help?
Yes, Dotty.
Can you guess the name of this machine?
Yes, it's a tractor.
Well done, Dougie. What about this one?
This one is easy. It's a dumper truck.
Nice one, Dougie. Give this one a try.
Oh, that's a tricky one, but I'm sure it's an excavator.
Spot on, Dougie. What's the name of this machine?
That's the world famous backhoe loader. Digger Jake's a backhoe loader.
Excellent work, Dougie. Oh, hi Digger Jake. Final one, Dougie. What's the name of this machine?
That's a ready-mixed concrete truck.
Correct. You're amazing.
Dougie, you got all 5 right.
How well did you do?
Don't forget to visit the goodie store today, where you can find some of our fabulous Digger toys.